Peanut. Yeah? Get up. It's time for us to go. Where? We are off to find some curious critter. Get ready. Okay.
We are off to find some curious critters. Not a care in mind. We will go and find our curious
Kenya, wake up.
Who will we meet today? What will we learn today? Our three best
the singing again.
We are off to find some curious critters.
With Peanut. And Kenya. And Alex. This is Staten Island.
Staten Island?
Why are we here? Is this New York? No, Staten Island is actually in Sacramento.
Oh, okay. Why are we here?
Yeah, there's all these birds here as you were. They're making so much noise that's hard to hear. Well, because this is a pit stop on their journey through their great migration.
Migration?
Peanut doesn't know what migration means. Peanut, migration is when one animal moves to a different area because of the changes in season. And Staten Island is one of the many pit stops they will take to reach their destination. Soon you guys will see how birds are the truck drivers of the sky.
You mean those truckers on the freeway? Did I go doot, doot, doot? Get me like birds?
Yeah, you take my interest. How is that possible? What, do they just look at the floor? They don't follow our highways. They follow their own that are in the sky.
I don't see anything up there.
Yeah, me neither. Well, that's because these highways aren't visible. Scientists call them flyways.
Oh, this sounds like highways.
Yeah, exactly, it does. 4 other highways. Where Staten Island, we are in the Pacific flyway. That's why we're seeing different types of birds here than what we might see if we were in a different flyway. But don't get me wrong, some birds here are the same where you'll find elsewhere. Like truck drivers, these birds travel long distances to get to their final destination. Now look at these beautiful sandhill cranes. They've actually traveled from Homer, Alaska to California in this specific area. If we drove our car all the way from Homer, Alaska to Sacramento, it would take 1 day and a half to reach there if we didn't stop for any food or anything. If we didn't stop for food or take breaks. It's roughly 3,400 miles.
That's a long way to go.
Yeah. And what's cool is that they'll make this migration again. Come April, they will be back in Homer, Alaska. Like truck drivers, they get tired of driving around or flying all day. So what they do is they use pit stops, like Staten Island, that provides food and water for these guys so they can keep making their journey right back to home.
Aww.
That is cool.
Yeah.
Places like this preserve, they don't allow for homes to be built over here because it's saved for birds only. Oh, that's so cool. It's like they're protecting them, like our protecting Nina. Exactly. That's exactly what they're doing here.
Aw, Kenya.
So the next time you guys see a bird, just think of the great journey it made. It might have come from Costa Rica or even in Panama, following their own long-distance highway and taking pit stops. And that's how birds are like truck drivers. Did you guys enjoy it? Yeah, it was kind of cool.
Yeah. Who knew that birds are like truck drivers? Because they go such long distances.
Yeah, exactly. I'm tired.
Me too.
I think it's good time for an afternoon nap. What do you say? Yeah. Sounds about right, huh, Tina?
Yeah, it does.
Well, say goodnight to critters. Peace, critters. Good night. I'll get you, Kenya. Thank you. Good night, hun. Night. You too, Peanut.
Yeah. I gotcha. Thank you.
Uh-huh. Don't forget your bunny.
Night, critters. See you next time.
Bye, critters. See you next time.